Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to change default home in Termux permanently. So, this means when you open Termux app, you directly go to internal storage directory. So, let's see how to do it. Normally when you open Termux app, you go into Termux apps directory. Let's make it to internal storage. You need to download text file in the description of this video. Open it. Copy getting storage permission command. Go to Termux and paste it and press enter. You need to give storage permission. Go back to text file. Copy editing bash.bashrc file command. Go to Termux and paste it and press enter. Go to end. Go back to text file. You can find device storage location using sdcard app. You can see we set home as that location. Now copy these two lines. Go to Termux and paste it. Press Ctrl+X. Type Y and press enter. Now exit and come back to Termux. Now you can see our method is working.